Appendicitis. Introduction. The pain caused by appendicitis can be severe. It can wake a person up from sleep. Select true or false. Correct. The pain is so severe that people often think of it as a new type of pain. It is unlike anything they have felt before. Appendicitis happens when the appendix becomes swollen and is infected. Select true or false. Correct. Mucus backs up in the appendiceal lumen. This causes bacteria to multiply. Then the appendix swells and becomes infected. Medical tests are not needed to diagnose appendicitis. Select true or false. Correct. Medical tests are used to confirm appendicitis. The most common treatment for appendicitis is surgery. Select true or false. Correct. Thank you for using Explain.